there, Anna McPherson from the agency, and I cannot wait to show you 5 Karen Court in Zilzie. A stone's throw to the beach, situated in a cul-de-sac with limited neighbours, this dual living home really does tick all the boxes. One of my favourite things about this home has to be the open plan living and dining that connects effortlessly to the outdoors and the beautifully recently renovated corner kitchen. Situated on the bottom level of the home, you have your own bathroom, large multi-purpose space and kitchenette. You're gonna love what 5 Karen Court has to offer. If you'd like to own your piece of paradise here on the Capricorn coast, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.